Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your CapCut Space Cloud projects and assets in CapCut PC. So whether you're hitting that free storage limit or just want to organize your workflow, here I'm going to show you how you can permanently remove files from the cloud so you can make room for new edits. So if you got a space cloud that you no longer use, this is how you can delete them. So what you need to do here on the CapCut PC homepage, you can just go to the settings, click on the gear icon at the top and choose this manage spaces options, and you'll see the CapCut your CapCut space. So if you want to delete them, you can just click on this three dots icon on the space that you want to delete, and that will be this option, delete space. Click on that, and in here you just need to confirm the deletion by entering the name of the space. Click on delete, and just like that, now the space has been deleted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.